How's it going, good people? I've actually yet again found another way on how to trade Nasdaq, and the strategy is only available for Nasdaq traders. This is a demo account, by the way. I've been backtesting the strategy for almost 3 months now, if not 2 months. I've been backtesting the strategy, and from a deposit of 100,000, I've been able to make 1 million. So I've been able to make a lot of profits from just the deposits of 100,000 straight into the strategy. So basically what you need is your investors.com. This is a website that you're gonna be obtaining news from. So let's go onto our investors.com quickly. Basically, we're looking for our breaking news. Futures rise with markets at turning point. What to do? This is our indicator that the market is going up. Basically, the strategy works on 100 points, trading 100 points daily. So here I have my horizontal lines. It's 154, 50, 155, 100, and so forth and so forth. You're actually adding, let's say for example, you put your line there on 152, 50, and basically you're adding another 100 points, 153, 100, and you're adding another 100 points, 153, 50, and so forth. You catch my drift. Basically the market is going up, and as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, that has pushed and broken our 15350 horizontal line. So basically we're taking sales from here. This means you're taking sales from here because this is almost like our structure. The market has broken our structure, and what you should do is you should place our take profits on the next 100 points. You catch my drift. Basically this is how the strategy works. It's easy, and I'll also be making another video explaining furthermore on how you can utilize the strategy to maximize your profits. Stay tuned.